What's going on, guys? I've got a 2006 Ford Mustang here, and I'm going to use this car to point out to you how to change your brake light switch, aka your stoplight switch. You may want to do this if your brake lights aren't coming on, but before I show you how to change that switch, I'm going to show you the fuse that you're going to need to check. So the fuse for us to check is on the passenger side. We're going to go ahead and pop this open here. And it's going to be a small 10 amp fuse, and this fuse's sole purpose is to provide a constant power to your brake light switch. And you'll need some small pliers like this to get it out. It's going to be this one right here. So go ahead and check this first. If this is blown, then your brake lights won't work no matter what. Now when you're done checking that, we can move on to testing the brake light switch itself. So getting back in here, let's first talk about testing the switch. So here's the switch itself, and as you can see, the way it works is whenever you hit the brakes like this, it moves this lever away from the switch, and that allows a plunger to come out of the switch and get it engaged. You see the plunger there? Now the way the switch works is when that plunger moves out, it's supposed to connect the green wire to the green red wire. The green red wire is where the power comes in from that fuse I showed you. So you should see power there. And that green wire goes to the, some people call it a body control module. Ford's calling this one a low current module. So that's what actually sends power to the brake lights, is that module. Now to remove this, you turn it about 1/8 of a turn clockwise, and then it will come out. And when you reinstall the new one, basically the same procedure. You put it on here, but you turn it clockwise until it clicks. And don't forget to hook it back up. So yeah, that's about it. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you have any advice about troubleshooting the brake lights on your Ford Mustang.